Just says select all of the ordered pairs that work, all the ones that work. So if I plug in the first number for X and I plug in the second number for Y, it would make it true. It would be 6. Okay, looks like you did the first one together yesterday. So you can try the next one. 2 times 0 is 0. 3 times 6 is, add those together, do you get 6? If not, it's wrong. If it is, you circle it. How many answers do you get for that one? 3. Should be 3. What letters you got? A. That's correct. Any questions on any of those if you disagree with that? All right, question number 2 is talking about dollars and comics. First question says find the X and Y intercept of the line. So where does it cross the Y-axis? Where does it cross the X-axis? So what are those points?
20, 0.
Yeah, it's one or the other. 0, 20, and 5, 0. Okay, now the slope of the line, we should be able to just use this. Subtract the 2 y coordinates, subtract the 2 x coordinates. What are the y's subtracted, Josh?
20.
20 minus 0 is 20, and then I got to go 0 minus 5 is -5, so my slope would be -4. Okay, if you answered 4, that's fine, but look at your line going down, right? So it's got to be negative.
I didn't get that.
Did you count?
I did 2 points. I did 16, then 1, and 4. And 4.
Yeah, well, the problem is you can't tell if that's for sure 16.
Oh, okay.
You're kind of estimating those points. That's why it's nice to use the 2 endpoints. You know for sure where they are. C, find an equation of the line. All right. Y equals, what's my slope? You just found it. -4x plus 20. Actually, we did not finish B. It does say interpret what that means.
She has $4 less every comic she buys.
Yeah, so it looks like each comic costs $4. $4 less every one you buy. So if you buy 3 comics, how much money will you have? Well, we're just plugging in 3 for X there, coming out with a dollar amount. So 3 comics at $4 a piece will cost $12. Colin?
$8 remaining.
You'll have $8 left. Question number 3, I saw there was some confusion with what the question was asking. It says match with each question the 3 solutions. That doesn't mean each one of these goes to 3 answers. Okay, each one of these is 3. I saw a lot of arrows being drawn on here. It still only has 1 answer. It just means that there's 3 points that work. So did you do one together here?
Yeah, we did number 3.
Oh,
we did.
You didn't finish? All right.
He just showed us what we were doing.
50.
All right, so for instance, first coordinate is the X, second coordinate is Y. So if I take 1.5 times 14, do I get 21? 1.5 times 2, do I get 3? 1.5 times 8, do I get 12? All right, so that goes with number 1. Anybody else think they have one? Evan?
B goes with 4.
B or D?
B.
B goes with 4. I agree with that. C, Chesney? 2. Kellen, D.
D goes with 5.
And that last one remaining is 3. And again, that just means those points work. All 3 work for that equation. It's just trial and error there. Question number 4. Georgia, read that one, please.
A container of fuel dispenses fuel at the rate of 5 and X represents the number of seconds that have passed since the fuel started dispensing. Then X and Y satisfy a linear relationship. In the coordinate plane, will the slope of the line representing that relationship have a positive, negative, or zero slope? Explain how you know.
All right, so fuel dispenses fuel. That means it's using fuel at 5 gallons per minute. So as you're running whatever you're dispensing fuel from, a gas tank or whatever, is your fuel level going to go up or down? It's going down, right? So the fuel remaining is going down over time. So that tells us what kind of slope we would have. Negative. Why?
The fuel level is going down.
Fuel level is going down. Line is going down. Final question. Sandwich store charges delivery. You got $33 for 4 turkeys and $61 for 8 turkey sandwiches. How much does each turkey sandwich add to the cost of delivery? Explain how you know. So you got 4 more sandwiches for 28 bucks. So how much did each one of those cost you, Brooklyn? No. You got 4 sandwiches for $28. Your price increased. Brenna? $7. Okay, so our price increased 28 for those 4 sandwiches. So you just divide it out and get $7 per sandwich.